Hey guys, welcome back to Forward Adventures. It's Hans again, and in today's video we will be installing a set of amber LED lights into my Jeep grill in the back right there. But before we continue on with the video, I just want to say thanks for all the support this year, and I wish you all a safe and healthy Christmas. This new variant is causing a muck again, so do your due diligence, wash your hands, stay safe, you know, social distance, whatever you need to do. And I wish you all a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. All right, and let's get on with the install. Here are the LEDs that I picked up from Aliexpress. Again, these are the smoked version instead of a fully amber. Let's see if it focus. And it does come with the harness, which I basically have right here, which is pretty cheap. You know, it has this plastic cover on it, which I will probably remove and replace it with something a little bit nicer. But before I do that, what I'll do is test it. But for that, I'm just going to show you how this is going to go onto the grill here. As you can see, the grill's there. And what I'm going to do is drill a hole right down there, and then just slide these through, and then connect it to my S-Pod switch. Right now I have some Gorilla tape, double-sided tape, which I'm going to use to secure it. I could screw them in, but those the screw holes are pretty small, and I think if I over tighten them they'll break. So I'm gonna stick with the double-sided tape and see how long that holds up. If it doesn't, then I'll screw it in and go from there. Alright, so I'm just connecting the lights to the harness, and then here I have an AC to DC converter, which will power the LEDs on. It's kind of ghetto, so please don't kill me with my ghetto-ness. And let's see if this works. And we have lights. Alright, so everything works. And let's start drilling the holes. All the holes are drilled out, as you can see right here. Have one already put in, so I had to drill 2 holes and then do a little notch so that the little clip at the end here will go through. But yeah, I had my dad help me with the drilling. We had to hold it down because, you know, this is plastic and it was just wobbling all over the place. So all that is drilled out. What I'm going to do is just get these in, peel off the backing for the double-sided tape, and have these put in. So there we go. Got all the lights installed. Now I just got to clean up the wiring, and we can bring this outside and hook it up and see how it looks. Whew, not bad. So the next step is just tidying up all the cables on the back. So right now I'm going to put these little tie adhesive, I don't even know what you call these, but they just tie ties together, or you know. So I'm just gonna put a bunch along the top here, holds up my grill, my DIY grill, and then I'm just gonna tie down these cables to the back with the zip ties, and clean this up, and we can take this outside and hook it up to the S-Pod and then see how it looks. Alright guys, let's do a test run, see how these not bad. Alright, just gonna clean it up and then take it outside. Hey guys, welcome back. Did not get a chance to work on the Jeep last night. It is Christmas morning, so wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hopefully you had a great evening and gonna have a fun day today with family and friends. Hope you guys get all your favorite Jeep parts. I know I did. But as you can see, I'm in the garage right now, and I have the grill just temporarily sitting right there. And I'm just gonna pre-run the cables and see how much cables I need to run to the S-Pod right here. And then I'm just gonna do a quick disconnect and cut it right here, so I can quickly disconnect it in the future when I need to remove the grill, so I won't be yanking on it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a cut right here and then run the remainder to the S-Pod here, and we are good to go. So this is how it looks from afar. It doesn't stand out too much, but yeah. All right, let's get working. All right, all the cabling is done. Didn't want to bore you with me cutting and doing all that stuff. So right here I have one end coming from the grill, and then the other end right here cut to length, ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is just going to run it down here, under here, and then pop out to the S-Pod, and just connect it right there. Alright, there we go. It's all connected to switch number 7. Alright, let's see if this works. Let's get in the Jeep. Number 7 is this. Uh-oh. Alright, back to the drawing board. Let's see what is not connected. It is all done. Just had to reconnect number 2 right there. It was not clipped in from the inside, so just pulled the grill out, snapped it in, and there we go. That's how it looks. Not bad. I'm pretty stoked, pretty happy with this simple DIY 4Runner kit. These lights are actually for a Renegade Jeep, so thought I'd just pick it up, throw it on, see how it looks. The original intention for these LEDs was to actually sit in the grill, and they came with ties that went through the little screw hole, the little holes on the side. I didn't like that. Didn't think that was secure, so I came up with attaching it to the brow of this grill. But yeah, that's how it looks, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's quick install, nothing really complicated. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit a like, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. And again, Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and have a safe holiday. All right, ciao.